Hey guys, it's Miss Warner. I'm here to teach you about personification. So this is our first virtual mini lesson. I would still like you guys to write in your notebook. That way you have the notes when you return. Feel free to pause this at any time if you need more time to write down the definitions. If you don't have your notebook at home, just start a collection of papers that you could tape or glue into your notebook upon your return. Okay, here we go. So today we're learning about personification, which is one type of figurative language that you can use in poetry to really give your ideas intensity. So personification is when something non-human is given human characteristics. So our example is the sun, the non-human thing, is smiling down on me. Smiling is something humans do. Okay. So for our next slide, I have a list of examples and non-examples. I want you guys to try to decide which one is personification and which one is not personification. I'll give you a few moments and then I will go to the next slide with the answers. So, Rita heard the last piece of pie calling her name. Is it personification or not personification? The dogs begged for treats. My flowers were begging for water. The sun shimmered in the hazy summer sky. The monkey smiled at the zookeeper. And the moon played hide and seek with the clouds. So you could pause it now and decide which one of these are examples of personification and which ones are not. Okay, I'm moving towards the answers. So Rita heard the last piece of pie calling her name. Last piece of pie is something not human. Calling her name is human. That should also, calling should be in blue as well. My flowers were begging for water. Flowers are non-human. Begging is something humans do. And the moon playing hide and seek. The moon, non-human, playing hide and seek, something humans do. I wanted to show you these examples over here, the non-examples about the dogs begged for treats. Over here for flowers begging, that was personification. We want to be careful with animals like dogs and monkeys. Sometimes they're personified. Sometimes they're just being an animal. Like dogs can beg. We've all seen that. And monkeys can smile. So that is not personification if animals can do that thing. However, if you said something about the monkeys held a conference and debated the merit of the banana peel, holding conferences and debating are something humans do. So let's look at this poem. It's called April Rain Song by Langston Hughes. If you remember, Langston Hughes is one of the poets that we learned about in the Harlem Renaissance. So it's a nice short poem. As I read it, try to figure out which lines have personification. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. The rain makes still pools on the sidewalk. The rain makes running pools in the gutter. The rain plays a little sleep song on our roof at night. And I love the rain. Okay. So lines 1, 3, and 6 all have personification because rain cannot kiss, cannot sing, and it cannot play a song. So those are the lines. The other ones are something that rain can do. Something non-human can make a beating sound. It can create a pool, and the running pools, the running talks about the running water, not that the rain is running. Okay, so what is being personified in this poem? Is it a person, a lullaby, Langston Hughes, or rain? I'll move to the answer in 5 seconds. It's rain. Yep. Rain is the non-human thing doing all the human things. Okay, so what does it mean to let the rain sing you a lullaby? What I'd like you to do is just jot down your answer. Should take about 30 seconds. Feel free to pause this before I move to my answer. Okay, I'm going to move to my answer. So, I said the author uses personification to show he likes the rain. He writes, "Let the rain sing you a lullaby. When rain falls, it can make a soothing sound. A lullaby is a type of calming song, so the soothing rain noise is like this song. A calm song would be enjoyable." I do want you to know that I wrote a lot more than I was expecting you to write in your answer. I wanted to give you an example of how you could write this as a short answer response if you were ever given this question on a test. So you see that I restated the question, the author uses personification, and then I answered it to show he likes the rain, he sings, he writes, and here's my evidence, and then I explain it down there. So my explanation took a little bit of time because I had to explain what a lullaby was, the characteristics of a lullaby, and then how rain would fit those characteristics. Next question. Based on the examples of personification, the rain is best characterized as juvenile, which means young and immature, despondent, which is depressed and hopeless, non-responsive, motherly, like a mother, or D, like a girlfriend. Okay, I'm going to move to the answer. And it's motherly. So you see that the kiss makes you think, okay, there's some type of familiarity. It could be motherly or girlfriend. But the lullaby and the sleep song makes it seem like a mother because mothers would sing lullabies to their babies. And sleep song is kind of a babyish sound. So it really feels like the rain has this motherly instinct towards the people.